What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Solve that final equation. And here we've got 4 different equations. You're going to use each equation to figure out the value of each of these different cars. We got a red car, a blue car, and a black car. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So right off the bat, we got red car plus red car, and of course all the red cars are the same. What plus what is 16? That would be 8. So all of the red cars are 8. Now we have blue car plus red car times red car is 84. So you might think, well, we got to add to the red car first, then multiply, but no. Order of operation says we have to do multiplication first. 8 times 8 is 64. What plus 64 is 84? That would be 20. So the blue car is 20. Now we go down to the third equation. What times 20 is 80? That would be 4. So the black car is 4. And now in this final equation, what you have to remember is division comes before subtraction. So first we're going to do 8 divided by 4, which is of course 2. And then we got 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2 is 18 for the win. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.